Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can change radio volume, radio station, and we can go to shortcut menu on instrument cluster. Thanks to this panel, we can navigate through instrument cluster. Next, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Thanks to this panel, we can activate cruise control, ProPilot Assist, and we can manage it. We can change forward and rear cross traffic alert sensitivity. We can answer and end calls and activate voice assistant. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.